Good afternoon from Parfait Parquet. It's Brad and Jai here today. So today we are on the most important part of a chantier, which is cleaning up. So even though we operate a dustless process, in between these boards will be lots of old dirt and debris, plus any poussière or sawdust that has gone down into the gaps as part of our sanding process. So Jai is here with one of our Festool hoovers, which is there, and Jai is going to help me prepare the chantier for the application and finish, aren't you, son?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, so you're going to do a good job?
Yeah, I am, and I hope you be paid, and I hope you're good at your job also.
Well, you can see what I've brought up, can't you? Because if the first thing on my son's mind is getting paid before he's actually done diddly squat, I think someone needs to be learning a better work ethic.
I'm kidding.
Oh yeah, I don't think you are.
I'm
Anyway, let's leave the pay till later and focus on the task in hand. So, the task is to clean out all the joints in all the gaps, to hoover the floor completely, and it's quite a technical floor to hoover because it's not a standard floor, as you can see. So now it's all being prepped, it's time to hoover up, clean up, and then we're going to be applying our primer, which is a primer which will not darken the wood too much, because this is old oak, it's extremely dark. If you apply oil to these old planks, it will go really dark, almost black on some of them, like this one here, this one here. The walnut plank there would go really dark, the exterior would stay light. So it's important to choose the right product when you're oiling or choosing a finish for an old floor. If you oil it, which is my preference, it will go dark. But if you use a vitrificator, which is a water-based finish, it will stay lighter if you use the right primer. So product application and product choice, really important. We'll be using a 320 primer, which will keep the floors light, and then we'll be using a satin vitrificator, which will give the floors a nice finish, give them a nice light sheen, which will look great for the age of the project, the property, and it will also be easier to maintain. So we always give our clients an aftercare sheet so that they can maintain their floors properly and easily with the Pall Mall cleaner, which is used to clean the floors. Really important. It doesn't matter whether you have the right product down if you're not looking after your floor once the company is finished providing the service, because the maintenance is down to the client to do. And that's what matters, because most people have problems because they don't maintain their floors. We give you advice on how to maintain the floor correctly. Don't we, Jai?
Yeah, we do.
Okay.
That's our job.
Okay. Have a nice afternoon. Hope this helps. Bye for now.